Hey there, how's it going? So, what I want to talk a little bit about is this Everlit Rapid Aid Trauma Sleeve with Rat's EDC Trauma Kit. It's got a Cat Gen 7 Tourniquet, QuikClot, Gauze CE Military Tactical IFAK for bleeding control. And this is the OD Green version from AceTac Gear. I opened this up once already. I'm going to open it up again just because it's easy to pull out. This has what you need to open an airway, chest seals for gunshot wounds. This has QuikClot and a tourniquet to stop bleeding. So this is a good kit. It has a emergency blanket in there. I see a survival blanket, gauze, gloves, your airway setup. They go through the nose to open an airway, a marker to mark your casualty, tape to secure everything up. So yeah, this is a very organized IFAK, so this is a good kit. Anyway, I'm going to rate this 5 out of 5 because I think it'll work, and I think it's an expensive kit, $120 for this. So definitely cool. 5 out of 5 stars.